This is a unique setting with some unique challenges. We worked with Ameren to innovate around those challenges.
This project will include a new switchgear. This new switchgear can also detect and isolate damage, but also restore power within minutes, if not seconds. This is a $2 million investment from Ameren will help provide reliability to 10,000 customers within a 2-mile radius.
This piece of equipment is similar to the breaker box inside of your house. It's going to monitor power as it comes in from the higher voltages.
Systems like this are smart, and they quickly, in a matter of seconds, can reroute power to houses that normally might have been out for a long period of time, hours or days.
As we see the storms get bigger and stronger, it's important that we try to fortify our systems here, our energy systems, so they have the reliable energy sources that folks need to survive.
I think this project means that we're making progress to the future, because reliability of energy is one of the most important things we have.
Since 2018, Ameren Missouri has invested more than $3.2 billion in capital improvement projects thanks to its Smart Energy Plan. Ranging from new switchgear and smart switches to new and upgraded substations, these projects are creating a more resilient and reliable energy grid for citizens throughout the Show Me State.
Whenever we walk through our shop every day, we see how much equipment we're building for Ameren, and we couldn't be more appreciative of that.
That's one of my issues that I look at the most. Is I look at Missouri first and our workers, and I definitely think that's great that it was made here in Fulton, in Missouri. That's awesome to hear.